Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorials how to create hexagon. To create hexagon in BricsCAD, we can use a polygon command. You can type polygon and press enter. After it, you need to set for number of sides. For hexagon, you need to set into 6 and press enter. Now in here I will click at this point for center, and then I will click in here to apply. So we already create the hexagon. You can tap polygon, press enter, set number of side into 6, enter again, and then in here I will use edge. You can click from this point. You can set for edge distance, like I will set into 100, and you can press enter. Okay, that's it for basic BricsCAD tutorials how to create hexagon. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.